Roll.
Hi there, my name is Kira Nickens. I'm co-owner of Brighter Days Window Cleaning, and I get to talk a little bit about Phil Chauvin and our website. Phil did an amazing job with our website. Not only the way he told our story as a company and what our mission is and who we are as a company, but also the simplicity of both the online site as well as the mobile site. The customer experience is incredible. So much so, we've had advertisers that have looked into our company, seen our website, and actually said that it was the best website they had ever seen of any contractor or anybody that advertises through them. So our website is such great quality that it's given us, a name in the marketplace or a reputation in the marketplace for quality and a high standard. It's also helped us to win a ton of business, just the quality, because people really just don't have that same quality or same experience with other websites. Recently, we actually had a realtor showing us some properties out of town, and the realtor looked into our company and thought that we were a franchise because our website was such high quality that he thought we already had the systems in place to be a franchise. So I can't say enough great things about our experience. We've referred Phil to many people. They've all enjoyed the experience. You can't get anybody better than that. And one thing I can tell you is it has boosted our SEO a ton. We have incredible reviews from customers that are able to be easily accessed. We're just happy and love it.